Welding is a fabrication or sculptural process that joins two pieces of metal so that bonding takes place at their original boundary surfaces by using high heat to melt the parts together and allowing them to cool, causing fusion. It's an atomic level of bonding through an exothermic chemical reaction. Introducing Weld, a brand of Amiable Impex, the leading exothermic welding solution provider with a decade of experience in the global market. We offer a permanent copper conductor fusion welding to make your electrical connection perfect. It is commonly used for earthing and grounding where the quality can matter a life. Our key clients are power industry, electricity distribution system, telecommunication, railways, solar industry. Why Weld? We are the first company in the universe offering the moisture-proof tablets suitable to all kinds of welding to prevent wastage and save money on inventory management by providing a long shelf life. Old concepts. The material commonly used for such weldings are generally in powder form which can deteriorate due to moisture in the air. The storage and stacking is difficult because of different quantity and size of the packets. More wastage at time of site execution. Our tablet can prevent wastage and save money on inventory management by providing a long shelf life. Let's see the execution of exothermic welding with the help of tablet. Weld. We weld to strengthen the bonding. For more details, please feel free to connect.